Right. Hello everyone. My name is Hammad Alkrty. I'm a human rights lawyer and a legal researcher. Um, today, today I will be talking to you about the the situations or the cases and situations that been brought to the ICC. Um, Before I got to that, I have to uh, I have to tell you, or I have to give you some background about the ICC. What ICC stands for? ICC is the International Criminal Court. This court is as I said, as an international court, has been established to investigate and prosecute individuals who accused being committing a very serious crime, and we call it the atrocity crime, and it is the most serious crime, and very horrendous crimes, and those crime is the concern of the international community, and those crime are crime against war crime against humanity, and the genocide. So the ICC has been established to stop or to end the immunity of the perpetrator, and that's why the ICC is very important to deliver the justice to the victim. All right, and now let's move on. And before that, I have to tell you that by the July 2012, there are more like 122 countries has been ratified the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, and that by then 2012, and right now we are in 2016, and I'm quite sure the countries or the state that been accepted or ratified the law of the ICC has increased dramatically. At the many countries around the world have been aware of the importance of the ICC. Right now, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to tell you about two situations that being brought before the ICC. There is like 23 cases, and in 10 situations, all these cases and situations being brought to the ICC attention. And before I talk about the situation and cases, I'm going to tell you the way how the situation and cases can be referred to the ICC. There is three ways how the cases or the situation can be referred to the ICC. The first one is by the member state of the ICC. Any member state has the right, the countries has the right to refer any situation to the ICC, and we have like and after that, when the country referred to the situation to ICC, the ICC prosecutor will initiate and will take a step forward to investigate in that particular situation. And we have like three clear example in Africa that those countries has referred their situation to the ICC, and one of them is Uganda. Uganda has referred the situation about the Joseph Kony to the ICC, and the second one was the DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the third one Mali. And I can tell you that those countries, they have been referred this situation to the ICC not because of the weakness of the legal system in those countries. The legal system in Uganda is quite really good, and the legal system in Mali is not too bad, but maybe the DRC, because by then the country was in turmoil, and the country was in civil war, and it was unstable. But right now the situation in DRC is getting better and better, and we hope all the countries in Africa to have that stabilization, to be a stable country, and they can move forward, and in terms of development and all this sort of thing. This is not my subject at the moment. My subject just it's related to. So we believe that those countries refer this situation to ICC because the ability, they don't have the ability or the capacity, could be financially, or could be like mechanism or something like that, or any reason. That's why they refer, and the ICC has the capacity, and it has the ability to investigate on those situations. The second way how the situation can refer to the ICC is by the United Nations Security Council. The Security Council in particular has the power to refer any situation that they think there's a serious crime has been committed in that area, or such area, wherever around the world. They have the power to refer the situation to the ICC, and we have two examples, and both of them in Africa. One of them in East Africa, and the other one in North Africa. So the first situation, it was in Darfur, Sudan, North Sudan, and this case in particular has been referred to the ICC in 2005 by the Security Council, and as a result of the the bloody civil war in West Sudan, in Darfur, and we all know that the civil war has claimed thousands and thousands of lives. Many people being murdered, and many people being raped and tortured, and being treated as inhuman or cruel treatment, and many villages being destroyed, and the conflict is still going on until now. Okay, let's move forward, and we'll talk about the third way how the situation can be referred to the ICC. It is by the prosecutor. The ICC prosecutor, he has the power or right to investigate or initiate to investigate in any situation. So we have two examples. The first example, that Kenya. The situation in Kenya, the ICC prosecutor has taken a step forward, and on the 31st of March 2010, the ICC prosecutor had start investigate on that situation. And the second one, it was in Georgia. 27th of July 2016, the ICC prosecutor has taken initiative to investigate in that situation, because the ICC he strongly believe that the international serious or atrocity crime has been committed there. Therefore, he has to investigate the matter, and if there is any any perpetrator or any as individual person that committing or committed any crime, he has to be stand before the ICC to be accounted. So, all right, let's move forward. And as I said, I'm going to talk to you about two situations. This first situation is going to be in about Uganda, and the second one is going to be about DRC, or Democratic Republic of Congo. All right, let's move forward and talk about the situation in Uganda. The situation in Uganda, the prosecutor is we have like 4 of them, but the main one is his name Joseph Kony. Joseph Kony, and the other one his name Vincent Oti. So let's talk about these 2 people first, and the other 2, I think the other 2 are dead right now. That's why the ICC has terminated their cases before the ICC. So, okay, about Joseph Kony. The ICC has issued warrant of arrest that issued in against